Perry, we're at the time of the year where the snow has melted and you look out at your lawn and you go, I didn't realize that Fido went that many times.
Yeah, people often come in this time of year with the dog patch repair ideas and the needs they have. They got the brown spots all over the lawn. They want to know the best way to take care of it. And one of the things you can get is there's these dog patch repair kits, which are simple to use. They have what's almost like a dryer lens in them around the seed because it holds the moisture around the seed. That's the most important thing when you're doing top dressing repairs, to keep the seed wet so it'll germinate. And that's one of the challenges when you're doing kind of those repairs.
So why would you want to go this route as opposed to just plain old seed?
Well, one of the things of the dog patch repair kits is that they're convenient. Again, with the seed though, you want to top dress, you can use compost and seed it yourself. It's really a great way to do it because you can be more selective on the type of seed you use. It'll work well in our climate, but either one will work really well.
Will one grow quicker than the other?
No, they're both very similar. In about 10 days, you'll start to see some germination after about a month.
Thanks, Perry.